Today na market confession. You get what somebody tell me when I want make we confess about. I beg for Confession Wednesday, you are free to remain anonymous, meaning say you are free not to call your name. In fact, we're not interested in your name. Today for market confession, what we want to talk about now, Oyibo go talk on sex in the marketplace, your shop, your office. Somebody reached out to me. He says since when he starts to sleep with ladies for in business place, he say in market called they go down, in business called they go down. Yes. And somewhere when I put them across for some few discussions, some people say yes, say it dey be like that. If you make your business go down, let us know. If you don't do one before and it not happen, say nothing happened to you, you are fine to still call us, say I do and nothing happened for my own, right? Now market with confession, right?
2008, I lost my job from Zenith Bank, so I now opened a small restaurant.
Okay.
For me and my wife.
Yeah.
So I think after some time, although we live in one room before.
Okay.
So after some time, we are doing that business gradually. After some time, I think we now do such things in that small shop where we are early in the morning where we went to sleep.
Sorry, I don't understand. Please make us understand, sir. Please.
Yeah, that is, we are doing that business, that restaurant. Where we left house early in the morning to go and prepare food.
Okay.
So when we get there, I couldn't be able to stand, so I have to ask my wife to submit.
Okay. Yeah.
So I think he argued, but later on he gave up.
Okay.
In that business, before we were seeing small money.
Yeah.
That business. After some time, the business started going down. I think I understand that what I'm hearing now is, I think is real, that if you do business, it's not advisable for you to stay in the business to do service.
Okay, so after you guys did it, the business went down.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you for sharing.
It has happened to me before.
Okay.
When I was working at one bar at Awuyaya side.
Okay.
Even it caused something that even I don't know that my boss used to know.
Okay.
So it's real. It makes everything just goes down.
Okay.
It's very, very bad, Isha. Everything goes down.
So the thing affects you for them?
It really affects me. Even I don't see my salary to collect. People holding me. So many things happen. I have to leave the job. The woman sacked me, sir.
Oh, the woman even sacked you? Okay.
Yes, it sacked me. It really sacked me, sir.
Okay, so what you do now with one of the boys there or one of the guys there, or with who? Was it with one of the guys or the customers or who?
It's not the customer. It's people that we work together.
Okay, your colleagues. Okay.
Yes,
okay.
My colleagues.
Okay.
Yes,
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. So Unaya said she was sleeping with her colleagues in her place of work. Go ahead.
Was when I was working with a logistics firm.
A logistics firm, okay.
Yes, that very day I went for an interview, and after the interview I noticed the way my boss was looking at me. That was the MD of the company.
Okay.
So on my way home, he was about leaving, but he wanted to attend a party somewhere, so he requested I follow him to the place.
Okay.
Which I did.
Yeah.
Then after a few days, they called me and then they gave me the job.
Okay.
But I realized that even within a short period of time, the way the man was looking at me and all that, so I noticed that he had interest.
Okay.
So after work,
Yeah.
one very day like that, we
Yeah.
went to a bar around the stage other side.
Yeah.
Just to have a drink and all that.
Yeah.
And when we left, just right inside his jeep.
Yeah.
We started the first kiss and then we ended in sex.
Okay, you guys had sex inside his jeep.
Inside his car, yes.
Okay.
Then subsequent inside the office. Even when other staff, the other managers were around, they will just be in other office.
Yeah.
When I just go to his office to visit him.
Yeah.
You know. it just happened.
Okay, you will do it inside his own office.
Yes.
Okay.
So that was it, and it continued like that until at the time, you know, that was just it anyway. So at the time, I noticed that the company that was just doing well
Yeah.
before,
Yeah.
at the time, it was not custom. Even when the money will come, he himself will collect the money, he won't even know what he will do with the money.
Okay.
Other staff will be paid, I won't be paid. And when I asked them, I won't say, they say, go and meet your guy. I said, now your friend, I'll go ask them. You know, now him they pay, not the you they pay.
Okay. Yeah.
When I go to him to request for my salary, so
Yeah.
that's what they say. We pay.
Yeah.
So the money was not there to pay.
Yeah.
Even at the time he left, I also continued with the company. It was like that for like few months. I feel like 3-4 months. My salary was not profitable.
Okay.
Then I decided to leave the company, and we did. I still communicate with some of the
The
staff,
staff
like the
then.
two managers. They are just like two there. Then we were like more than 5 or 6, but now
Wow.
it's only 2 persons that are running the company now.
Wow.
Till date now.
Wow.
They find it difficult to even employ maybe 4 persons.
Yeah.
And the company has been like that.
Wow. So that means for your own experience now, that means it they affect business place, Abi?
I feel it's fair, but I wouldn't know if that was the cause.
Okay.
But I would say
From your own experience.
yes,
Yeah.
from my
Okay.
experience.
All right.
Something like that.
Okay. Thank you for sharing. We appreciate it. Yeah. Somebody say ratata. He said I was a business guy. He said I did one using my business. He said I was sleeping with customers, and I go give them free. What they're supposed to pay for, and within short time, my business end, bro. And he said, we say what he said, bro. He said if he say for 2 years now, I not see money to start my business back. I don't work out all over Lagos street. They look for job, but all effort have proven what he abortive. No business and job either. This kind of thing they destroy mine. Man, I have learned from my mistakes and never to try it again. If I get money, go back to business. He said, wait here, I need job or money to start business.
I did that with my boss.
Okay.
So my boss was running the hotel.
Okay, madam, please speak up. Make we hear. Try make we hear your voice well.
Okay. Then my boss was running a hotel.
Okay.
So I was doing it with him and also with my colleague also.
Okay, you and your colleague were doing it with your boss.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was doing it with my boss and
Okay.
with my colleague.
Okay, you were doing it with your boss, sleeping with your boss, sleeping with your colleague as well.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
So my boss, I'm the one paying them,
Okay.
paying
Other stuff.
So I was pushing the money to my boyfriend
Okay.
because my boyfriend was working there.
Okay.
So later, my boss now noticed it. And
Okay.
now back my friend.
Okay.
So I continue with my boss.
Okay.
So after everything, I rate my boss down. Everything was the whole hotel because the hotel is politicians that normally come there.
Okay.
So that is how I rate him down. Even the hospital, he's a doctor.
Okay.
So even in the hospital, I do go there.
Yeah.
I do it there in the hospital.
In his office in the hospital.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm also the one in charge paying the nurses there.
Okay.
So for now, my boss cannot even book us 500,000 in the account now.
Okay.
Everything. That thing is not good.
So the hotel and the hospital, they don't close up.
The hospital, there is no money because of the equipment.
Yeah.
Because it's a big hospital.
They say when you speak louder, those on the WhatsApp say they not hear you.
So because the hospital is a big hospital.
Okay, it's a big hospital. Okay.
It's a big hospital. I'm also in charge there, paying the workers there.
Okay.
So, because the reason I did that is that my boss normally do it first. He do force me.
Okay, your boss normally force you
Yes.
to do it.
Because when I came for IT,
Yeah.
So immediately he saw me. He just said, no, there is no need of interviewing her.
Okay.
Just start job
Just start work.
immediately.
Okay.
Yes. So immediately I started. It's not even up to a month.
Yeah.
So he called me to the hotel.
Yeah.
So when I came, he said, give me that same job. I said, okay, Wetin is that now? He said, you are very, very pretty. Before you know it, just forced me. That is how the whole thing started, because then I was also evading them.
Okay.
So that is now, if it's a man, he's very good now because of there is no money.
Okay.
So there was a day I saw him because he owns almost up to 7 cars.
Okay.
But now he's only keke.
Okay.
So I used to take him to the hospital, but the hotel is no longer functioning now.
Okay. The hotel is no longer functioning. Now only the hospital that they function.
In the hospital, so people don't normally go there again like that. So all those things is not good.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank you for sharing.
Thank you.
That lady went call us say he said the oga get hotel and hospital. He said na
hospital.
doctor. He said so she could do interview as
intern.
But he said as the oga say and the oga say no need for the interview now, so they just say employ her immediately. And also the oga invite her come in your office one time for the hotel, for the office for the hotel, and that's where the thing start. And from there the thing start like that. So he says so. She dey sleep with the oga, then they sleep with one other of the colleague when be guy for the hotel. Say so now she called the position of paying other people.
Yeah.
Yeah. So as he say at some point the oga could notice say she dey sleep with one of the guys. They could sack that guy. So he and the oga could continue. Even when he go meet the oga for the hospital, then they go do one for the oga hospital for hotel. Sorry, the oga office for hospital. He said so as we speak now, the oga get like 7 cars then, but now the guy take they go work. He said the hotel don't fold up. Now only the hospital there, and the hospital is just staggering, ladies and gentlemen.
So I don't do that thing before.
Yeah.
But I later realized that the thing bring the shop down.
Okay.
And the one of my cousins, they disturb me. And the thing could happen.
One of your customers?
Yes.
She could come your shop?
Yes.
Okay.
So now I can't do the thing later could affect. Up to now, that place never opened. Then just rent to another person.
Wow. Which can be, what did they sell for the shop before?
Food stuff.
Full stuff. And now for you inside the shop, now for do am?
Yes.
Okay. And you feel that thing I caused the business to fall, abi?
Yes.
Wow. Una done several times or just that once, now you feel that the thing cost am? You say?
Now only once.
And after then, your business change?
Yes.
Okay. So now your shop, uncle, you say you don't lock am?
Yes.
Wow. How long be this one?
Maybe let's say since 2017.
2017.
But another person don't rent us.
Okay, you rent against somebody else.
Yes.
Wow.
Now you get the shop go.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. Thank you so much for sharing, God. We appreciate.
When I did with my grandmama tell me say where I dey work. Make I no touch woman. Make I no go near person there.
Yeah.
And where I dey do business.
Yeah.
Let me like say I get shop.
Yeah.
Make I no do that thing.
Okay.
Understand?
Yeah.
And my grandma tell me,
Yeah.
my grandma live 125 years.
Okay.
She start me down because she love me. They tell me
Okay.
many things. And ratata, you get where I work for
Yeah.
Ikeja.
Yeah.
I worked there for 2 years.
Yeah.
You get one girl where they disturb me.
Yeah.
I just take her like my just colleague. They work there. Then she dey come see her father there.
Yeah.
So I get boys quarter they give us as a driver.
Yeah.
As I knock that girl, me and that girl for my room.
Yeah.
3 days I they sack me.
Wow. 3 days after you sleep with her for your room for the break, the night they sack you for the work.
Yes, 3 days they sack me.
Wow.
So when I reach house, I come sit down for one corner for my room.
Yeah.
They think between my grandmama tell me.
Yeah.
Say, what? So this my grandma, they tell me all those things. They don't know her before us.
Okay.
They know everything before us.
Yeah.
So that is no good.
Okay. All right. Thank you
That
so
day,
much.
it
Yeah.
take me good 7 years before I get another work.
7 years after.
Before I get another work. 7 years, I suffer.
Wow.
I pray God, fasting, may God forgive me.
Okay.
And since when I come get another work, I know fit. Yeah, this and so them food they do anyhow. But I said so this I don't see them before.
Yeah.
Before time, my grandma tell me say if you want to do nonsense, go far.
Okay.
Go shop your shit, come back when nobody know.
Okay.
There's no ground between that place where they walk, where they sell market.
Okay.
Then a barrier.
All right. Thank you so much.
Ta, 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 ta.
Yeah, morning, sir.
I beg, I no go one call my name.
Of course, sure. No wahala.
The thing, it don't happen to me too.
Okay.
I they say ladies, yes.
Okay.
So you get one girl where they say, if you know all those, sometimes they no go one buy anything. They go just one come there touch cross.
Okay.
Then go taste it. They no go buy.
Yeah.
When you come put to phone, you come follow me. They play.
Yeah.
As a man, you get where the play reach you.
Yeah.
It's in turn to another thing.
Okay.
And after the thing happen finish.
For inside your shop.
For inside that my shop.
Yeah.
That I know there myself. Till I come up for that shop.
Wow.
Enter another place.
Wow. Oh, thank you for sharing. We'll pick another call.
Hello, who they there?
Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
You understand the matter, madam?
Why you cut my call? Now understand. Now they call me now. You can't cut out.
Oh, yeah, talk straight.
We have C4. That is my husband Moto for the pension when they work.
Okay.
So we employ a driver and a conductor.
Yeah.
Okay. So when they work, they can't deliver us. That is 5,000 a day they deliver.
Okay.
They will deliver that motor for 5 times in a week.
Yeah.
Instead of 5 times in a week, they will not go deliver 1 or 2 times. When they deliver 3 times, we use that motor to repair.
Okay. Go straight to the
whole
matter.
motor. So the conductor, they carry somebody, they can't sleep inside the motor.
Okay.
The thing too much. So somebody just come and call me in the night. But when I don't enter, I know used to come outside. You understand?
Yeah.
So somebody can say every day. That's how the person used to do. That's the conductor.
They carry woman enter the motor, the same motor.
Yeah. Inside.
Yeah.
They can't do rubbish there.
Yeah.
So now the person come and say every time they do, but things too much. They have to come and call because I don't get time to come and watch what is going on. You understand?
Yeah.
So when I go there, now I see that the conductor, I'm so surprised. So the driver now my own person, and my own from data.
Okay. So what did happen last?
With the motor, he break down, no work again. Since then, the conductor vanished. I collect the key for the hand, and the driver.
The motor knock.
He knocked down. I'm telling you.
Wow.
He knocked down for over 1 year. We not see money to the driver, so we finally sell him as a scrap.
A scrap. Wow. Wow.
So now so it is.
Me, as the Uber driver, I used to drive Uber.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So come get more problem for my house. I don't come get house. So now inside my motor at the street.
Yeah.
Then I can't get one girlfriend like that.
Yeah.
Now inside that motor, then you get the next law.
Yeah.
Just like after 4 months.
Yeah.
The motor start to get problem.
Sure.
You know that up to today, this is about 8 months.
Yeah.
Like the motor spoil, I no get motor. I did house. I did sleep from friend to friend. That's how you I no get work now.
Are you serious? What happened to the motor?
In fact, what start with overheating.
Wow.
From overheating, engine knock.
Yeah. Wow. Engine knock.
Engine knock. On terminal bleed. Engine knock on terminal bleed. I was not the motor.
Wow.
Knock on the thing. Then the owner collected the motor and set the motor off.
Wow.
I'm still suffering now. As I'm speaking to you, I'm still suffering like
wow.
As I speak to you now, I don't get car now. I'm looking for car. I don't learn my lesson in hard way, in a very hard way now.
Wow.
I don't even know where I can even get motor to drive. I don't beg everybody.
Where the girl now? Where the girl? The girl come.
She don't go now. She
okay,
don't
the girl
work
come carry the girl.
I don't get work again now. She
all right.
Go.
Thank you for sharing.
95.1 Wazobia.